what are the basic insurances that a person should have?
Right. I think एक policy है जो people don't talk a lot about, but I think it is something that I have made it a mission that I will keep speaking about that product.
Okay.
Is called a personal accident insurance, right? It is basically a disability insurance product, which basically is available at a very very cheap rate, and everybody should have it. Typically, who people who like us who are exposed.
To travel.
To travel, and although because we've lived all our lives in India, we don't understand that there is lack of safety in the country. But जब आप बाहर जाते हो और फिर देखते हो कि इंडिया में सेफ्टी का इशू है, right? And hence there is a need for a disability insurance, which I feel there should be there.
समझाओगे
Accident
इसको
disability
लेमैन
insurance.
में समझाना.
Yeah.
और मेरा
हाँ,
सवाल
layman
आगे
में
ये होगा
समझाता
कि हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के अंदर कवर नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ, तो मैं बताता हूँ कि क्या है ये पहली बात, ये प्रोडक्ट ऐसा है जिसमें आपको एक टाइप का फिक्स्ड कॉम्पनसेशन मिलता है
Okay.
in case of a disability or a death that happens due to accidents.
Okay.
Right? It's a very very cheap product. Like it will cost like lakh rupees का cover will come at around 1.5 rupees में 1000 rupees का cover आता है.
Okay.
Right? तो 150 rupees में lakh rupees का cover आता है.
1500 रुपए में 10 लाख.
हाँ, 150 rupees में. Yeah, so it's a very cheap product. एंड टिपिकली इट विल वॉट कवर किस चीज़ का मिलता है आपको. तो कवर बेसिकली ये है कि सपोज आपने 10 लाख का कवर ले लिया या 1 करोड़ का कवर ले लिया, तो बेसिकली फैमिली वेन एवर एक्सीडेंट हैपन्स एंड डिसेबिलिटी हैपन्स इन एन एक्सीडेंट, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सीवियरिटी जो है एक्सीडेंट की, डिसेबिलिटी की जो सीवियरिटी है, उसके हिसाब से द कंपनी विल कॉम्पनसेट यू, राइट. थोड़ा ये है, मतलब दिस वाइल पीपल विल बी हियरिंग दिस, दे विल फील दैट दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट दे वांट टू हियर, बट losing a hand, losing a leg, or losing eyes can completely take away your earning capabilities, right? So it's a very very important risk that you should consider and buy, and specifically because it's so cheap, right? Term insurance हम सोचते हैं फिर भी, right? क्योंकि term insurance में death and then family will have to take care of. Accident can actually be a worse thing than death for the family.
डिपेंडेंसी हो गई.
Because dependency भी हो गई, maintenance है, cost है, बट इनकम नहीं है.
एंड यू आर मच मोर लाइकली टू डाई इन अ रोड एक्सीडेंट देन एनीथिंग एल्स. आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ तो पढ़ा था मैंने.
या तो ये बहुत चीप है, एंड आई थिंक everyone who started earning and who started taking care of their family should first buy this insurance. It's very very cheap.
So if I have this insurance, if in a accident I lose an arm or anything which is considered a disability in that insurance, मेरे को अब लग रहा है उसके अंदर 1000 TNC होंगे कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं.
बहुत सिंपल एक्चुअली. मतलब द सेकंड प्रोडक्ट आई फील इज दैट अगर आप डिपेंडेंट्स है, आपके फाइनेंशियल डिपेंडेंट्स है, देन द सेकंड प्रोडक्ट दैट डेफिनेटली यू शुड लुक एट इज टर्म इंश्योरेंस.
ओके,
राइट. I am assuming for the time being that health insurance can be a third product. The reason is that मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि कंपनी से कुछ तो मिल रहा होगा.
Okay.
Right. तो you can term insurance is something that you should immediately start buying when you start paying bills. आप घर के खर्चे में अगर participate करना शुरू कर दिया, like you started paying the rent or you started paying electricity bills or you whatever type of खर्चा you are doing from your pocket, which now the family is dependent on you. So that is one thing that is very important, that आपको term insurance लेना चाहिए.
So term insurance fundamentally is that if I were to die,
yes,
then my family gets that much.
Term insurance is simple product. मुझे लगता कोई है, मतलब term insurance बहुत ही simple है. Term insurance खरीदो, if you die, company pays money. First year only there is a exclusion which is suicide. After that everything is paid.
Even suicide?
Yes.
सेकेंड ईयर से सुसाइड भी इंक्लूडेड है. ठीक है, टर्म इंश्योरेंस का कोई TNC बताओ छुपा हुआ जो मुझे पता होना चाहिए. One is this.
Exactly, there is no TNC.
Is it?
Term insurance.
What if I take a term insurance today and I die tomorrow?
It is you will get the money. You will get the money. There is no exclusion in the policy. In fact, it happened during COVID, right? That people had just bought the policy 4-5 months ago, and they had there was a death that happened, and then claims were supposed to be paid. There are issues obviously in the claims, कैसे पे हुआ, कितना टाइम लगा, but technically and meaning from a clear point of view of the contract, it is payable. There is no waiting period in the policy, except for suicide, which is very logical, right?
Yeah,
first year suicide has to be excluded. That's also for the first year, right? Even if in the first year someone has committed suicide, then that premium is returned to the customer. So ऐसा भी नहीं है. मतलब I'm saying that it's a, I think it's
so you're saying term
most
insurance is a life
product.
insurance basically,
Term
right?
insurance.
लाइफ इन टर्म इज
डिफरेंट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस इज डिफरेंट. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस मैं कभी भी टर्म इंश्योरेंस के साथ मिक्स नहीं करूंगा बिकॉज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस को बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्रॉड तरीके से people are it is used or misused in multiple ways.
Life insurance is not equal to term insurance. I'm sorry if that's
life insurance is a very broader category. So life insurance में there are multiple products that are sold. Life insurance में there are products that are sold which will be having a life cover but may have a return on premium ULIPs or basically money back products. Then there could be life insurance के अंदर pension products भी आते हैं which basically can basically fund your retirement expenses. And then it has term insurance. Term insurance is the smallest category as a category product in life insurance.
So term insurance is a subset of life insurance.
Yeah. And it's a very small.
So सबसे simple है term insurance. मर गए तो पैसा मिल जाएगा.
Absolutely.